The Hamilton is the new kid on the knit block. This long sleeve button-up shirt is made from a gorgeous 7-ounce 97% polyester, 3% spandex, birdseye jacquard knit material. Woo! Check it out. Say that 3 times fast. This all-over casual fit shirt features a stand collar, full button front, left chest pocket with button closure, and check it out, there's a pen pocket. You've got classic shirt placket style detailing on each cuff there with some button adjustability, roll it up if you want to get cash, and deep curved bottom hem on the back, a locker loop, and center back action pleat. Ooh, also check out those buttons. Those are fisheye 2-hole faux greyhorn buttons. Bet you didn't know what a fisheye 2-hole button was until today. Here it is. It gives this shirt a beautiful finished look. That's the Hamilton.